No, it's just for my YouTube channel. So I want to share with you guys the stuff that I got from Gelmar. Oh, after Gelmar, I stopped by at Bargain and Basket because I needed to get these two calculators. They're going to be part of a DIY that I'll be doing. And then these stuff are from Gelmar. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been wanting this pocket hole jig set. Yes, I actually want the Craig jig, but I'm not sure I want to invest in that as yet right now. And then I got these ring drop handle antique brass latch. Got two of these also. Then I've got these keys. These hinges, yeah, and then these self-closing hinges also. And then I got these hooks. I got this barrel bolts. I was running out of masks, so I got that. These LED touch lights. These are all going to be for an upcoming DIY. I'm just waiting for power tools to arrive, and then we are going to do this DIY project. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's going to be part of my Christmas gifting DIY ideas that I'll be doing on my YouTube channel. I ordered these from Y'all's Beauty and it was a Black Friday sale. I got them for 200 Rand. And it's 6 face masks. So these were sent to me by UTAP SA. They house a variety of power tool DIY brands, and they sent me clamps, guys. They sent me clamps. And these clamps are proper. They are proper clamps. And they got me this in stunning gear because I'm a true pro lady. Love it, love it. Thank you so much. I can't wait to wear and use these. Ramen noodles. It looks so good. Really good, guys. This is my first time making this, I thought to make it though because of today's weather, and I've been wanting to try it for like a couple of weeks now. I said today's the day. Today's Sunday and I'm editing a vlog. Just thought to just whip out my rotary tool and read its manual. It's only a 6-page manual, which is good. Of the 6 pages, 2 of the pages is instructions on how to use it, and then the other 2 pages rotary in detail, so there's illustrations of it, and then the other 2 pages is safety and safety rules for it. So I like a compact manual because it doesn't deter you from reading it. Yeah, so let me learn it, guys. See you shortly. When I hold it, I must hold it like a pen. It's quite chunky though for a wrist. Maybe it's because I'm still not familiar with it as yet. Maybe that's why I feel it's quite chunky. We're about to find out. So as I'm showing on my Instagram, because I'm on the TB treatment, my skin has taken a serious knock, and I'm going to share some pictures over here. And I have taken the decision to just take some time to take care of my skin. And by skin, I just don't mean just my face, but I also mean my body. Because I did surgery, I also need to take care of those scars and stuff. So I just really want to be very intentional about my skincare. So I'm currently using Pusher M products. As you'll know, Pusher M is not new to this channel. Pusher M is not new to my face, because I've been using them for a good two to 3 years now. Y'all's Beauty is also not new. Since its launch, I've been using their masks. I just have told myself that I actually just want these 2 brands at the moment, and just see if there's any improvement on my face, and take it from there. Skincare is a personal journey, and even though you might get tips and tricks from people, but our skin is very different. Genetics play a role, the treatment we're on plays a role. Good morning! Well, depending on what time you watch this, but for me it's morning. I am getting ready to go for breakfast with my girl Amanda, and we're just going for a girlies breakfast, and yeah, come along with me. Today is a Friday. Today is my last working day for the year of 2021. I'm on leave. And yeah, I don't know what I'm going to get up to this December. Honestly, I don't know. December is a very challenging year for me, but I'll tell you guys why when we get back from breakfast. Yeah, let us go. So y'all know my dungaree. I do my DIYs in this, and actually like it also as an outfit. So this I got this dungaree at Mr. Price. The shirt is also Mr. Price. The pumps I'm wearing are also Mr. Price. Basically, I'm Mr. Price from head to toe. Yeah, very casual, very relaxed, as I always am when I'm dressed. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I am back home, and yes, I didn't take you with me to the breakfast date, to my breakfast date, because we just, you know, I just wanted to have some quality time with my girl. I'm sure you're wondering what is that Milwaukee van, why I showed you all that. Well, Uppbeat South Africa has sent me some power tools to demo, and Milwaukee is part of the power tools that they house as a mother body. So yeah, let's open up the box. Oh my, one thing about power tools, child. Oh no, 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 no. Oh. Dust bag. Okay. And this palette. Wait. Hey now. These are the power tools they'd like for me to demo. Let's go get some wood. This is our garage. Oh my, I don't have a lot of wood left. And I have some more wood stashed on this side. It's also not much. One thing about DIY, you must buy wood, huh? Some behind the scenes of me creating content. This is the activity board slash busy board for kiddies that I'm creating. So when I create content, I have a sheet here next to me that breaks down everything, like the project concept, the gear I need, key scenes I want, the thumbnail I need to shoot, the caption. Important date is normally the date I'm going to post the content on. I do this so that the content is organized, and also I don't miss out on any certain pieces of content that I want the video to have, and it works for me. And also because I forget, I'm the type of person that when I start DIYing, I just want to start and finish, and then sometimes I just get lost in the fact, that I need to be giving you guys tips and tricks in between. I need to be telling you what I'm doing, what I'm not doing, why I'm doing what I'm doing. So earlier on, when I was headed out for breakfast, I had mentioned that I want to talk to you guys about something, and it's basically the fact that I'm not creating any Christmas content this year. I know last year and the year before that I set up my Christmas tree on Instagram and on my other social platforms. I was sharing Christmas decoration ideas and all of that. And this year, to be honest, I'm not feeling very much festive. It's going to be the very first Christmas that I've spent without my grandmother. And last year I spent Christmas with her. As I record this, next week is the 17th of December and it's her birthday, and I was with her on her birthday, and this year I'm going to spend her birthday without her. So I figured it's pointless me creating content just for the sake of creating content, and just allowing myself to feel every emotion that I'm feeling. And to be honest with you, I do feel bad for not creating the content that I wanted to create for you guys, because I do it every year. But at the same time, I think it's important for me to take care of myself and to take care of my emotions and my mental health, because I can't pour from an empty cup. And I just hope you guys understand, and hopefully next year we might have Christmas related content, but for the year 2021, yeah, it's not gonna happen. I'm honestly just not feeling very much festive, but yeah, I just felt to share that with you all, because I felt that I owe that to you guys, because I have created an expectation over the past 2 years here on DIYYolande. Love you all.